Hi there, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey guys, welcome to my latest 4 Kelvin walking tour video. Today, I'm taking you on a stroll along the sandy shores of Jericoacoara Beach, Brazil. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more amazing travel content like this. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Now let's dive into this beautiful beach destination. You'll find fishermen along the shore, and if you're lucky, you might be able to spot them bringing in their catch of the day. The locals are friendly and welcoming, and they are always ready to share their knowledge of the area's history and culture.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
If you're feeling adventurous, there are many water activities to try here, like stand-up paddle boarding, windsurfing, and kiteboarding. You can also take a day trip to see some of the nearby natural wonders like the Lagoa do Paraíso, a beautiful lagoon with crystal clear water. As we continue our walk, we can see the sun starting to set, painting the sky with a beautiful blend of orange and pink colors. It's the perfect time to find a spot to relax and watch the sunset over the sea. In conclusion, Jericoacoara Beach is an extraordinary place, perfect for relaxing and enjoying the beauty of nature. I hope this walking tour has given you a glimpse of what this beautiful destination has to offer. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll be happy to chat with you.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!